Hello everyone. Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back. I hope you can see me. Let me share the link. So if anyone is listening me, can you please confirm? Let me check my voice is audible or not. So if anyone is listening me, yeah. I guess everything is fine. My voice is also audible to you. How are you guys? I hope you guys are pretty good. So as your exam approaches nearby, we are practicing some of the very important concepts of like like banking exams and insurance exams. And guys, when I'll start this, I have said you many a times that ratio plays a very vital role. Like many of my paid classes, I have also said that if you know the ratio concept, you can solve many questions. Like 80% of the chapters are basically driven by the ratios. Okay. So if you guys are there, I would say that please comment. So guys, this session will be helpful for all of them who are preparing for the foundation, or those who are they want to practice more and more questions, or you want the different methods of solving the problem. Correct. If you want the different methods of solving the problem, then you all will be like, it will be beneficial for all of those. Again, as I written that I will not use any formula, so everything today will be solved without formula. Correct. No formula will be required in solving. And if I say you, these are the questions which has been asked in the previous year. Okay, recent previous year questions. So you can also like get that these are the questions which are asked in recent previous year. Recent previous year questions are there. Okay. Approach, the class is basically starting on the base of that you are not going to use any formula. We are using ratio without formula, and like understanding the question that how to solve. Okay, as I said, without formula. So I will be like trying my 100% to solve each and every question which is basically without formula. Before starting the class, I would like many of you to say one thing which I always say. Guys, we have a Oliveboard presents you a banking super elite course. Why this course is very important? All of you know that in this course you get access to all the bank insurance exam courses and 3000 plus classes. 2000 plus you get a test, class PDF enabled, everything when you go for, I would say, when you go for super elite course. This is very different from the normal course. Correct. Secondly, I would say that you can also join the Telegram channel, or you can also join my personal channel, means my channel, in which you get updates of quizzes and everything. Again, guys, because your exam is coming nearby, as always said by me, that winning strategy is the consistent. Please practice more and more question, whatsoever level you are in. So let us start the question. So this is the first question, everyone. I would give you the time. I hope this is visible. And if anyone is watching me, please confirm that am I audible and visible. So I will be giving you the poll, because first question, because this is a warm-up question, I will give you the time of 45 seconds. Okay. Let me give you the time of 45 seconds. Can you try, guys? Come on fast. Those who are there, can you please try? You have time. We will try each and every question with respect to the time limit, and I'll also make you understand that how to attack. See, very good, Yash. Very good. Yash got this answer in less than 20 seconds. Anybody else? Yash got this answer in less than 20 minutes. Come on fast. Time up. Low volume. Okay. My volume is low. Is it fine now, Yash? I think my volume is. So, guys, first of all, when you get such kind of question, how to react? A and B have money in the ratio 2:1. Correct? So, basically, they are having the money in the ratio of 2:1. So, I would just see, I can do this question in less than 10 seconds. A has a money 2A, and with respect to the A, B has a money A. If A gives rupees 2 to B, if A is giving rupees 2 to B, then can I say A is giving minus 2 to B? The money will be in the ratio. If A is giving 2 to B, then can I say that B will receive plus 2 more? And the ratio is basically 1/1. Correct? Guys, you can solve this verbally as well, because this is 2A minus 2 would be equal to A plus 2. From here, like fastly, you can say that the value of A would be how much? 4. Correct? If the value of A is 4, then you can say that value of A, capital A, which you have assumed, is basically 4 into 2, 8, and capital and the value of B would be how much? Nothing but 4. So they are asking which option is correct. So option number, we are having two options same. We are having two options same. Which one is correct? Can I say option number B, C is correct, basically rupees 8 and 4. So C is the correct answer. And this is question asked in 2023. 2023. Correct. Let's solve this question. Come on. Fast, everyone. 45 seconds again. No, I'll give you time this for 55 seconds. 55 seconds, guys. Please solve. Approach should be of the pre-level exam. And this concept I've also taught in my paid classes. This was question asked in, again, 2023. 2023, as you all know. Hi Robin, how are you? Time up. So let me solve this question for you, that how we can react. A man leaves rupees 8,600 to divide among 5 sons, 4 daughters and 2 nephews. 5 sons, 4 daughters and 2 nephews. Can I say that now here we need to relate, basically guys, the hitting part is that we need to relate 5 sons, 4 daughters and 2 nephew. Correct? So can I say we have a daughter and son. First of all, go for daughter and let's say son. The ratio between daughter and son is what? How many daughters we are having? 4 daughters. Correct? And how many son we are having? We are having 5 son. But just wait. Can I say? Let us assume this should be 1. Why? I'll just say you. Now again, if you go for the next part, you will say son and the nephew. Son and the nephew. Can you assume what is son and the nephew? The ratio of son and nephew. Everybody try to get this point. Can I write 5:1? Is this ratio clear to all of you? Each daughter receives 4 times as much as each nephew, and each son receives 5 times as much as each nephew. Is this ratio clear? Because I have used this point. Each daughter receives 4 times as much as each nephew, and each son receives 5 times as much as nephew. You got the ratios? Is it clear? Now from here, can I get, because my son and son are common in this, can I say ratio of son? Sorry, wait a minute. Can I say get the ratio from here? Daughter is to son is to nephew. Correct? We need to make common. Remember, I have made you solve every time this one. Basically from here your son is basically 5, your daughter would be 4, and what the value of nephew? Nephew should be 1. Is this ratio clear? Now they are saying that a man, now this is basically ratio of daughter, son and nephew. Is this clear now? Is this clear now? Now they are saying that you have how much son? You have 5 son multiplied by 5. How many daughter you are having? 4 daughter multiplied by 4. How many nephew you are having? You are having 2 nephew. Is it correct? So basically from here the total ratio would be 16, 25 and 2. Now a man leaves itna 8,600 to divide. So you are dividing according to you. What is the total? See, 20 and 20, 40, I would say 43 is the total. Can I say 43 would be equal to 8600? 1 would be equal to 8600 divided by 43. I hope this is clear. This much is clear. Then can I say this is basically 2 times? You can say this would be 1 is equal to 200. They are asking what question? You can say that they are asking what question? How much does each daughter receive? Each daughter we are talking about. Each daughter. How many daughter we are having? So basically each daughter will receive how much, guys? Come on, say. We are having 4 daughter. 4 twos are 8,000. So basically answer would be 800. Sorry. Answer would be 800. Is this clear? Makes sense to everybody? This question was nice. You want me to explain one more time? You can just write down in the comment section so that I can explain you one more time. Daughter is understood? That's fine. Okay, let us go for next question. Some of the questions are taken from the PO pre. Some of the questions are taken from clerk pre. Let's come on solve. This PDF I will be giving you in the Telegram, okay? This PDF I will be giving you in the Telegram. So try solving it with the given interval of time. And I would request that do share the session, please, everybody. Come on, answer me fast, everyone. This kind of question you will get in the exam. This is clerk 2023 question. A, I've got answer as A, okay. 6 people are watching me and only 2 are answering. I don't know why. Robin. Fast, Robin, fast. Okay, let me just see. Now, first of all, guys, how we need to crack, very important. What statement we need to see for solving the question. Seats of arts, commerce and science. So we are having 3 subjects, arts, commerce and science. Let us write down. So we are having arts, we are having commerce and then we are having science, okay. Are in the ratio 3:5:8. So this is the ratio of 3:5:8, okay. Now if the number of students studying arts, commerce, okay. Now see guys, try to understand one thing. If you can get this point through me, it's very important. Now see, finding out increment of 20% to this number is not very much good. It's quite struggling as well. So can I say that instead of 3, can I assume this number as a 300? It will not hamper your result also. Instead of assuming giving ratio 5, can I assume at 500? And instead of assuming 8, can I assume it as 800? Okay. Now simply what I need to do, I need to find out the 20% of this, because in the first phase it was given 20%. Then I need to figure it out 40% of this, because in the first phase it is 40%. And then I need to figure it out 25% of this. Always remember, they are saying that increased. They are saying increase. Now 20% is 60, so this will become 360, correct? 40% is 20, so this will become how much? 200, which will become 700, okay? Now 25% is basically how much? This will become 25, 200 again 1000. Is it clear? These are the percentage increment. What is this? These are the from here to here, this is percentage increment. Now, what will be the new ratio seats for student in arts, commerce and science respectively? So you need to clear this arts, commerce. So 0, 0 and 0. Now guys, can you just see that how you can solve this question? This will go, how much time? Come on. Say, this will go 18. So first of all, your option should contain 18. So C cannot be the answer. Then 18, then can I say 35? 18, 35. Okay, two options are there. Three options are there, imagine. And this should be of how much? Can I say this should be of 50? So this should be of 50. So 18, 30, 35. Two answers are same. No, option number A is the correct answer. This is the ratio. Understood? I hope you guys have understood this. So normal method, this is asked in IBPS clerk exam. IBPS clerk. Please solve. Do like the session, everyone. Do like the session. IBPS clerk again. IBPS clerk again. Come on, guys, do solve. Rizwan has a box in which he kept red and blue marbles. Five, four, three, two, one. Yes, is saying okay. So, see, in the paid class, somehow the same question we have solved. As I said, one quantity remained the same. Robin, have you remembered that? Robin, if you are there, I have made you solve one thing, that one quantity remained the same. One quantity remain the same. I have solved this, means this was the concept involved. If you remembered, no need to make a equation. How come? We have a red. See, I'm just making, because I'm solving for you, then I'm making it red and blue ball. So basically red and blue we are having now. The ratios are basically 5:4. That's also clear. After he lost 5 marble, the ratio become 10:9. After he lost 5 red marbles, so basically here he is getting decreased 5 red marble. Now the ratio becomes 10:9. Again, I have taught you this many a times that this is getting decreased. No, this will remain the same. If you want to remain this same, then what you need to do? Multiply this side by 9, multiply this side by 4, but this should be all multiplied. Here also it will all multiplied. Now this will become 45 and this will become 36, correct? This will become 40 and this will become again 36. Isn't all are same? You can see now all are same, correct? So from 45, actual decrement of 5 happens, then the decrement would be 40. After he lost, now come on, understand the point. Can I say that my 5 is equal to 5, then 1 is equal to 1? Basically, how many marbles does he have now? How much marble does he have now? 40 plus 30 is how much? 76 marble he is having right now. Answer is option number C. No, it's 76. Understood? Robin, you got wrong answer. 40 plus 36. Now he is having 40 marbles plus 36 marbles. 76 marbles. Not 81. Robin, you understood? Please say. Then we'll move further. Okay. Solve. No any options are there. Same concept. If you guys have like remembered my class, if you guys have remembered my class, let me show you. See, basically, what is tough in this question? Tough is the language, nothing more than that. If you'll ask me what is tough in this question, tough is the language. Guys, always try to understand the language, that what language they are saying. If you know the language, you can simply, I would say, you can clear everything. So, in a mixture of three varieties of tea, the ratio of their weights is given to us. The ratio of their weights is given, guys. Okay, so you'll find out the weights. Okay, so just write down and understand. Can I say that weight ratio is given to us, which is 4 is to 5 is to 8, which is 4 is to 5 is to 8, correct? Now, if 5 kg tea of the first variety and 10 kg tea of the second variety, now this is what they are saying: 5 kg weight of first variety, 10 kg weight of second variety, and some quantity of the third variety are added. So you are adding basically 5 to this, okay? And you are adding basically 10 to this, okay? And you are saying I'm adding something A to this, that you also don't know, that I also don't know, but something like A you are adding to it. Now you are saying that the ratio of the weights of the three varieties now becomes is 5 is to 7 is to 9. Now the new ratio becomes, everyone, new ratio becomes 5 is to 7 is to 9, 5 is to 7 is to 9. Now say me one thing which is very important. Say me one thing which is very important. Can I directly say that if 4 becomes 5, there is a chain increment of 1 in terms of ratio? Yes. Can I say this? Yes. According to me, there is a change of 1. Guys, try to understand. According to me, there is a change of 1. When 4 becomes 5, there is a change of 1. But in the question, it's given that, okay, there is a change of 5. So 1 is equal to 5, then this 5 would be equal to 25. This 5 will equal to how much? 35. And this 5 will be equal to 45. The moment, now you got your answer, okay, just wait. Now this will become how much? Because this is 5 more, this will become 20. This is 10 more, this will become 25. This is A more. So basically you can also multiply 8 5s are 40, this would be 40. So you can also get the value of A from here. A is how much? Again, the value of A is 5 kg. 5 kg. Now let's see the question what they're asking. Find the quantity of third variety of tea in the final mixture, which is 45. So it basically answer is 45. Everyone understood? Come on, say. How simple this question was when you are knowing the average concept. See how this easy this question was. Only statement was, I would say, was the tough one, and this was the question of IBPS PO prelims. IBPS PO prelims. I would request all of you guys, if you're liking the video, please like the video, share to your friends so that they would also know that these are the simple steps required to solve this question. Come on, solve this. All are questions of pre-level exam. Please try. Try and see that how you can solve. So guys, where was the problem? Let me just understand. Of 396 examinees of a certain school, the ratio of successful to unsuccessful candidate is 9:2. If 12 more students pass, what would be have been? Okay. So can I say total we are having 396. Total we are having 396 and there's a bifurcation of 396 into two parts. What that? We have a pass and the fail. Fine, no? We have a pass and fail. And the ratio of pass and fail is basically 9:2. Okay. First of all, you can also find out the exact value if you want. You can find out that 9 plus 2 is 11. 11 equals to 392. Okay. Then 1 would be equal to 392 by 11, which is 3 3s are 11 3s are 33. 33. You are getting approximately how much? 396. Okay. You are getting 36. Okay. So 36. Then you need to multiply. This will become how much? 36 multiplied 36, this and this multiplied by 36. These are the exact value which you're gonna get. Okay, this should be 72, this should be 9 6 are 54, so you can go 54 and 32, so 324. Is it right? Pass to fail. Now the question is that now this much I have done from here. Try to understand the question. This is a basically exam level question, guys. Try to understand. This is a pass and a fail part. Now they are saying if 12 more students passed, from where it will get passed? It will be guessed passed from the fail, no? So from here you will give 12 to this, and then here you will subtract 12. Makes sense, no? Here you will add 12 and there you will subtract 12. Is it making sense, guys? Come on, sir. Is it making sense to everyone? Is this making sense? Come on. Is this making sense that you are giving 12 from the fail one? So this will become how much? This will become 336, correct? And now what will happen again? Your total will not change, na? Your total will not change. 336 and 12 minus 72 is basically 60, would be equal to how much? 392, 396. Is this clear? This line should be also clear to all of you. They are asking what would be the ratio of successful to unsuccessful student. So they are asking the ratio of this part. Now again you can say this will go 10 times. This will go 5, 6, 56 times. This will go 5 times and this will go 28 times. So answer would be 28:5. Option number C. No. Everyone understood this? Come on, say. In which line you guys are having? See, this is an equation which I made. If you want to make, you can make. If you don't want to make, that's also okay. You guys understood this line? Come on, say everybody's answer was wrong. Option 28 is to 5. Everybody, Robin, your answer was wrong. Now you understood, Robin? Three 36 is to 72. Not 72, no? Because you have also subtracted 72 from 72. From 72 you have subtracted 12, no? Then only you have added 336, na? How can this ratio be same? After giving 12 students to the pass one, this value should decrease, na? 72 will get decrease. Minus 12 becomes 60. Yeah, small mistakes, but it's okay. If you're learning something, that's fine. I hope now you understood. Again, I would say, guys, do like the session, everyone. Do like it, guys. Before going, I would request that do like it. Okay. Let's try. Clerk prelims. Let me, actually, I have, okay, for this question, I haven't given you the poll. So let me try now. I'll try this by my own. The ratio of earning of A and B. Now see, guys, A and B ratio is giving 3:4. First of all, before I would say starting this, there's a small concept. As I said, you should also understand the concept. That concept is basically of what? Income is equal to expenditure plus saving. Always remember. There's a small concept which is income is equal to expenditure plus saving. See, many times this small formula will be used in terms of income, in terms of saving, in terms of expenditure. Okay, let's come to this question. The ratio of the earning of A and B is 3:5. Now guys, as I said, always take the earning in terms of 100. So can I say this is 300? And can I say B would be 500? I've just assumed this because I know that 1 by increased by 1 by 4. If you will increase this value by 1 by 4, how much it will become? It's very easy question now when you assume this value now. It becomes very easy for all of you. Correct? Isn't guys are getting this point? Please confirm. You guys are getting this point? Sometime this formula, very good, Yajini. Okay, you are also there. See, first of all, solving this question, now you should also understand that income equals to expenditure plus saving. They can also ask you question in terms of expenditure. They can ask you question in terms of expenditure equals to income minus saving. So these are like very important formulas when you go for a pre-exam. Try to understand. When you go for a pre-exam, these are very, very important formulas. Means you will find one or two questions every time, correct? So let's come to this part. So when I go for 1 by 4 of it, it will become 1 by 4 is nothing but 75. So this will become 375. Again they are saying 1 by 4th, b decrease by 1 by 4. If b will decrease by 1 by 4, it will be how much? Again it will be minus of 125. So this will again become 375. So ratio would be 1 is to 1 na? The ratio would be 1 is to 1. That is the answer. Okay. But for this you should remember this one. This is very important. Very important. Let's try this. Please solve. Come on guys, please solve. I give you the poll. Do like the session, everyone. No one solved? Okay, let me solve. The annual income of A and B are in the ratio 4 is to 3. So we have income ratio, which is 4 is to 3. Then we are having expenditure ratio, which is expenditure ratio, which is 3 is to 2. Now guys, remember what did I say? Income minus expenditure is nothing but saving, no? Because income equals to expenditure plus saving. So income minus saving is, sorry, income minus expenditure is saving. So from here 4 minus 3 is 1, 3 minus 2 is 1. Is it right? Very easy. Now they are saying that if each of them saves rupees 600, you are saving 1. 1 is equal to 600, you know? 1 is equal to 600. If 1 is equal to 600, this will become how much? This will become how much? 2400. This will become how much? 6 3s are 1800. Okay. So they are asking what? Find the annual income of A. Annual income of A is basically 2400, correct? This is what I called without formula. As I said now, that we are solving here without formula. Now you can also ask that, sir, is there any way out? Now see what preferably method you get in your books. The method you get in the book is that the annual income of A and B, let's say, what do you get? Now see, the point is that you have now see, basically income equals to expenditure plus saving, correct? Now if you have that point now that my expenditure is 3x, now 3x plus 600 upon 2x plus 600, 2x plus 600 is equal to the income, which is 4 is to 4 by 3. Here also you will able to find out the value of x. Again I have used what? Income equals to expenditure plus saving. So this is the method number 2. So that's why in the class I have mentioned that we are solving this question without any I would say trick, or you can say anything, means we are solving this without formula. Everyone understood? Should I go forward now? Yajni, you understood? Okay. Please solve. Come on, guys, solve. $10K, okay. Let me see whether 10K is the correct answer or not. Let me see. Ratio of income of company A and B is 3:2. Income of A and B is basically 3:2. Fine. Expenditure of company is 8:7. So again we are having expenditure. Let us now see. Expenditure is basically 8:7. Okay. If he saving of company A is 4,000 more than that of company B. If this is X, this is saving would be X plus 4,000. Is this much clear? I'm just making you understand through these things, okay? I hope now nobody is having doubt. Okay. Now guys, if this is 4,000, just make it 8,000 and just make it 7,000. Nothing will happen. Now, what did I say? I told you what? That we are having income equals to saving expenditure plus saving, correct? So expenditure is how much? 8,000 and 4,000 is 12,000. So X plus 12,000, correct? Divided by X plus 7,000. X plus 7,000. The ratio is basically 3/2. Is it clear? Now just do it fast. 2x plus 24 is equal to 3x plus 2100. Okay. From here you can say that value of x would be how much? 2100, no? X would be 3000. Now if value of x is 3000, they're asking what? Find the income of company B. Income of company B 6,000. How much is coming here? Income of company B, come on. 10,000. Option number A is the answer, no? Sorry. This is 3,000, no? This is 3,000, 7,000. This is basically. Option number A is the answer. This is 10,000. Correct. And this is how much? 15,000. 15,000. I hope so. This structure is clear to all of you. Is this clear? Come on, solve. Very good, Yash. Okay, I think nobody has given me answer. The income of A and B are in the ratio of 7:9:12. So A, B and C 7, 9, 12. 7:9:12. Okay. And the spending are in the ratio. Spending means again you will go for expenditure. So guys, let us assume 7x, 9x, 12x. 8y is to 9y is to 15y. Is this clear? These are basically, this is income. This you would say, write down income. This is basically spending, means expenditure. Expenditure. I hope this makes sense. Everyone. Then what should be my saving? Now, if A saves 1/4 of his income, A saves, according to me, A is saving how much? According to me, A is saving how much? 8y minus 7x. This is 1/4. Is it right now? This is 1/4 of his income. 1/4 of 7x. This is I have written wrong. Just write down here. 7x minus 8y. 7x minus 8y would be equal to 1/4 of 7x. 1/4 of 7x. Is it clear? Come on, sir. If this is clear, now this would be 28x minus 32y is equal to 7x. Correct? Now 28x minus 7x would be 21x. 21x would be equal to 32y. From here, x by y would be equal to, simply you need to write is what? 32/21. Is y 32/21. Is this clear? Now you can put all the values and you can figure it out the answer. Come on, say everyone understood? This you guys have understood? This is expenditure, income, expenditure. Now they're asking what? Find the saving of A, B and C in the ratio. Now you know the saving of A, B and C because again 12x minus 15y, you will just multiply the value of x. See what you'll do? Just I'm giving you, guiding you. You'll multiply the value of x, which is 32, and the value of y, which is 21, with each of the part, which each of the part means with this one, 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 and with this one. Then you will get your answer. Correct? So guys, I hope you got the good practice. If you want the PDF of this class, because we have more and more questions, if you want the PDF of this class, please comment that you want PDF. Or see, again I said you can also join my Telegram channel, everyone. I always say to all of you, you can also join my Telegram channel where you can comment that which question you are getting, which question you are not getting. You can also comment to this channel that likewise you are having a problem in any of the question, then you can just ask me. You can just scan this QR code of my Telegram so to join the class. Okay? And because I take YouTube classes, so you can ask any doubt in my Telegram channel through me. Till then, I hope you really enjoyed the class. Bye-bye everyone. Bye guys. Please comment the answer of the last question which we have done half. Bye-bye guys. Take care. Shining off, Agnimitra. Bye everyone.